After growing up as a devout and sincere Muslim, I left Islam by the time I reached adulthood. I left Islam because of the observational inaccuracies of the Quran about the universe, the lack of historicity and mythical nature of its stories, the sadistic nature of its punishments, its sexism, its obsolete form of morality and social conduct, and its outdated form of right and wrong. Leaving Islam felt like a huge burden was lifted off my chest. I can now read the latest research on science, evolution, physics, biology, history, anthropology, archaeology, etc. without worrying about whether the findings will be compatible with my faith or not. I no longer have to lose sleep to find new ways to deceive myself into believing the infallibility of my religion. I simply let go. And I don't have to worry about befriending unbelievers or what goes into my digestive system. I don't have to feel guilty anymore that I find more peace and comfort in meditation than I ever did in the Muslim prayer. I don't have to waste time and effort trying to make my religion fit in the specific and concise truths that science has uncovered about life and the universe at large. I don't have to deny and hide the fact that I find more wisdom in books written by humans than those claimed to be written by God. I can now think about why something is right or wrong through ethical reasoning. I can live a life according to modern ethics, not that of the 7th century. A life that is truly compassionate to all humans with positive thoughts for everyone, not just a select few. I try to do good, not because of guilt or fear of the afterlife, but because it is the right thing to do. And I reject the falsehood and hatred packaged as truth by religion.